Man, it feels like every day is the same, right? You wake up, grind, pay bills, and crash, only to do it all again. It's like running on a treadmill that pretends to move you forward but never actually goes anywhere. And the wild part? We were told this is what success looks like. Just chase the bag and somehow life will magically feel better. We all thought more money meant more freedom, but nobody told us why money even matters. You can be earning more than ever and still feel stressed, behind, or like everyone else is figuring life out faster than you. And the messed up part, social media keeps telling you you're losing unless you look rich instead of actually being free. You're out here working harder than ever, but deep down you still feel empty, like something's missing even if the paycheck looks better. That quiet pressure, the burnout, the comparison, it builds and builds until you can't ignore it anymore. And here's the real danger. If you keep chasing money as the goal, you could spend your best years running toward a finish line that doesn't even exist. Here's the truth. Money is not freedom. Money is not happiness. Money is not the goal you are. Hey guys, John here, and welcome back to Cash Plan with John. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Quick disclaimer, this channel is for education only. Always do your own research before making financial decisions. And if you're tired of financial stress and want clarity, confidence, and control over your money, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Stay locked in. Today we're breaking down why chasing money keeps you broke, what the real goal actually is, and how to shift your mindset so money finally works for you. Money isn't supposed to be the finish line, man. It's just the vehicle that gets you where you actually want to go. When you start seeing money as fuel instead of the destination, everything shifts. It becomes way easier to focus on the life you want, not just the paycheck. You could make $100,000 a year and still feel broke if your lifestyle is eating it all. But even a smaller income can give you real freedom if you know how to control your habits. Most people think money problems come from low pay, but honestly, it's mostly behavior. The way you manage your choices matters more than the size of your paycheck. Real wealth is the freedom to wake up without that financial anxiety crushing you. Money gives you choices like taking a day off, switching careers, or even moving to a totally new city. Society keeps telling us income is everything, but that's a trap. Freedom is the real flex, not chasing more until you burn out. Freedom hits different for everyone. For some guys, it's having time to breathe, not just grind. For others, it's choosing where they work, not being locked into one place. And before chasing money, like it's the finish line, you gotta define what success actually looks like for you. Most guys think living free takes millionaire money, but honestly, it doesn't. When you simplify and cut the stuff you don't really need, your whole life gets lighter. Even trimming your lifestyle by 20 to 40% can open doors you didn't even know existed. That's how you buy back your time and start building a life that actually feels good. Here's the trap, thinking you only earn freedom once you're rich. That mindset keeps people stuck forever. Real freedom starts the moment you stop letting society tell you what you should buy. Like Chris Brogan said, the goal isn't more money. The goal is living life on your terms. Bro, society has trained us like robots: spend more, compare more, perform more. And the crazy part, most of us don't even question it. We're stuck in this loop thinking we're behind just because someone else looks ahead. It's time to break that script and actually live on our own terms. Most guys don't realize this: over 60% of their income disappears into lifestyle inflation. It's like every raise gets eaten before it even hits your bank account. And dude, that average $700 car payment, that alone kills more dreams than bad habits ever do. No wonder so many people feel stuck even when they're earning more. Imagine this, bro, keeping your old car could put like $8,000 back in your pocket every year. That's a vacation, debt paid off, or an emergency fund stacked. The difference is wild when you stop trying to impress people who don't even matter. That's the shift from looking rich to actually becoming free. Listen, man, your income isn't the real game changer. What actually moves your life forward are the habits you repeat every single day. Consistency beats a higher paycheck every time, because discipline compounds. Build habits that work for you automatically, and you'll feel your life shift even before your income grows. Saving just $10 a day doesn't feel like much, but it adds up way faster than you think. That's over $3,600 a year without even trying hard. And give it 10 years with growth, that's when it turns into actual life-changing money. Freedom is built from small choices that stack up, not one big moment. Most guys wait for a bigger paycheck before they upgrade their habits, and that's why they stay stuck. The truth is, rich habits matter way more than a rich income. Start improving how you act today, not someday. Like Jim Rohn said, success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Here's the thing, man, your mindset literally decides where your money goes. When you start thinking long-term, you stop chasing quick wins and start building real stability. And money doesn't just go to the guy who earns the most, it flows to the one who handles it with purpose. Once you get that, everything about your financial life starts leveling up. Here's the wild part, 70% of lottery winners still go broke. That's proof that income doesn't fix a mindset problem. Most real millionaires didn't get rich overnight. They built wealth slowly with simple, boring habits. If you follow the same kind of steady rhythm, you'd be shocked at how far you can go. One of the biggest traps is telling yourself you're bad with money, because if you believe that, you start living like it's true. But money isn't a talent, it's a skill. And anyone can learn a skill with time and reps. The moment you shift your mindset, you stop reacting to life and start controlling it. You can stack money all day, but if you don't have a purpose behind it, it'll never feel like enough. Most guys chase the bag only to find out the bag can't fill the emptiness inside. When you align your money with what actually matters, everything starts feeling clearer. Purpose makes your financial decisions way easier and way more intentional. Most people who chase only money end up switching careers because nothing feels meaningful. But when you find purpose, your energy hits different. You stay focused, committed, and consistent. And ironically, that purpose actually boosts your earning potential long-term. Fulfillment gives you the fuel to push through the grind without burning out. One of the biggest pitfalls is choosing a career only because it pays well. When money is the only driver, burnout hits fast. But when passion, skill, and value line up, the best opportunities start chasing you. Like Viktor Frankl said, when you know your why, you can push through almost anything. Look, man, the real game isn't about hustling harder, it's about building systems that do the work for you. When you automate your money, your life becomes lighter, simpler, and way less stressful. You stop feeling like you're constantly chasing bills and start feeling like you're in control. This is how real freedom starts: quiet, steady, and automatic. When you automate your finances, you naturally save more without even thinking about it. And people who plan their money early usually buy back years of their life later. Imagine retiring earlier, not because you're rich, but because you were smart and consistent. That's the kind of long-term power most dudes don't realize they can build. Trying to manage money in your head is a guaranteed way to mess things up. Systems protect you from stress, from mistakes, and from your own willpower dropping on a bad day. When your system handles the boring stuff, you finally get mental space to live your life. Like James Clear said, you don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. Money has never been the real destination, freedom is. The world pushes you to chase income endlessly, but real success comes from building habits, systems, and purpose so money becomes a tool, not the master. When you shift your mindset, your whole life begins to shift, and once you stop worshiping money, you finally learn how to control it. If this opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs this message. And tell me below, what does freedom look like for you? I want to hear your definition, your vision, your dream. This is Cash Plan with John. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Take care of your money, and it will take care of your future. I'll see you in the next one.